Find features that distinguish it from other brands for GEARGO Portable Tire Inflator, Air Compressor, 150 psi Cordless Air Pump, and why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Powerful Tire Air Compressor. This portable tire inflator features a 150 psi accuracy, efficient heat dissipation with an aluminum alloy body, and a powerful metal motor that inflates a 195/65/R15 tire from 29 to 36 psi in just 1 minute. Real-time tire pressure monitoring and protection. This auto air tire inflator features an LCD pressure gauge, preset pressure settings, and auto off, ensuring accurate, safe, and effortless tire inflation. 3-in-1 tire air pump. The small air compressor inflates tires anywhere and with LED lights, and doubles as a power bank, 5V/2A USB output/input ports, for emergency phone or other digital devices charging, perfect for travel and home use. Wide application. This tire air pump is great for cars, SUVs, lawnmower, motorcycles and bike tires, and the general adapter works well for swim rings, cushions, air pillows, and more. Note: not suitable for high-volume items like air mattresses or heavy-duty tires. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.